Hello again and happy Monday, November the 30th, 2020 from Metro Manila, the Philippines, Southeastern Asia. Canada's federal government has extended international travel restrictions citing the ongoing COVID-19 risk. Exception to be created for high-performance amateur sport organizations seeking to hold events. This news item is or has been published on the website of the Canadian Public Broadcasting Company, CBC. In a news release issued on Sunday, Minister of Public Safety and Emergency Preparedness Bill Blair and Health Minister Patty Hajdu announced that travel restrictions on U.S. citizens and foreign nationals seeking to enter Canada from the U.S. will be extended until December the 21st. Similarly, restrictions on travelers arriving from other countries will be extended until January the 21st, 2021, as the mandatory requirement for anyone who is granted entry to self-isolate for 14 days upon arrival. Emergency orders brought forward on March the 16th, 2020, banned most foreign nationals from entering Canada for non-essential travel. There are, however, a number of exceptions for immediate family members of citizens, essential workers, seasonal workers, caregivers, and international students, to name a few. By extending the expiration dates to the 21st of the month, today's change brings the timing of the international travel restrictions in alignment with those governing the Canada-US land border. Previously, international restrictions expired on the last day of each month, while the Canada-US restrictions expired on the 21st. Both have been regularly extended since March. Sport Canada, which is part of the Department of Canadian Heritage, will be responsible for authorizing sports events in consultation with the Public Health Agency of Canada, the release said. Over 1,300 professional athletes have been issued national interest exemptions, which allow those who don't qualify under the current COVID-19 related restrictions to travel to Canada or to skip the mandatory 14-day quarantine when they arrive. In October 2020, the federal government expanded the eligibility for people coming from the US on compassionate grounds. Those changes governing family reunification have been broadened to include exceptions for certain extended family members of Canadian citizens and permanent residents, including couples who have been dating for at least a year, including their children, grandchildren, siblings, and grandparents. Despite travel restrictions, over 5 million arrivals into Canada have been allowed to skip the 14-day quarantine requirement, according to data from the Canada Border Services Agency, mainly because they are essential workers, meaning, for example, medical doctors and nurses.